Welcome back. Today we'll start small videos on probability, and we'll do a lot of problem. And from probability, we'll move to the probability distribution. So let's start. So probability. So probability that confuses everyone. What is probability? Uh, okay, let's think first from a real life perspective. How probability was introduced? As we know, probability was introduced from gambling. So someone is playing some game and he wants to know what is his actual chance of winning. That is the expected gain or expected loss. So from that, probability has come. And if we go back, well, in Mahabharata, that time also, during Dut Kriya, probability was very much used. So let's see what is probability is all about. So that's a lot of theories. We'll do more problem and less theory, so that we can know theories through problem. So first, give some definition. Experiment. What is experiment? Experiment is some actions to produce results. What kind of actions? Say, throw a coin. So if I throw a coin, the possible outcomes are two. It may be head or it may be tail. Now the collection of all possible outcomes we call sample space. We denote it by sigma and we call it sample space. So experiment number 1, throw a coin. Experiment number 2, throw a dice. So if I throw a dice, in a dice there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in that case, sigma will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Experiment number 3, throw 2 coins. Now we find sigma sample space for that. So if it is 3 coins, if it is 2 coins, then so first coin is H. First coin, it can be H or it can be tail. So for H, the second coin may be H or tail. It may be H or T. So this is second coin. So what will be my sigma? My sigma will be, so first H and then H. So H, first H and then T. So HT, first T, then H, and first T and then T. Now I define probability of an event. So now I come to the second definition of this lecture after experiment. This is probability of an event A is defined as probability numbers favorable to A by total number of points. So let's see. Let's try to calculate the probability one by one. So first, in the first experiment, you remember I have sigma is h and t. So what is the probability of getting one head? So probability of getting one head, how many points I have total? 1 and 2. So it will be 2. So what is the probability of getting head which is favorable to that? The favorable to that is this item. So this is 1 by 2. This is the answer. What is the probability of 0 head? Again, total number of points is 2. And this particular item T is favorable that there is no head. So probability is